Young children are fascinated by activities that involve screwing and unscrewing things like lids, nuts and bolts and screws. And often we see small toddlers take a screwdriver that they find in their house and try to screw or unscrew things that they see around them. So activities like this will fascinate the young child. We have a series of activities where the child can practice this screwing and unscrewing action. Some of you would have already watched one of the previous videos where we show the child how to screw and unscrew lids on bottles. This screwing board is one of my favorite activities. It's very simple. We have 3 different bolts of different sizes. We're going to put the largest one on the left-hand side, and they're going to get smaller as you go towards the right. We're going to show the child how, using their pincer grip, they can screw or unscrew the bolts so that they can take them out and place them on the mat. Because the bolts are all different sizes, this activity will help your child develop problem-solving skills as they have to search and find the correct bolt to put in each of one of the places.